Alright. We're taking the weekend off doing car stuff. So installing car stuff. We're taking the weekend off to install car stuff. And we're going to head over and check out the Great Race. Now, I'll put a link down below of what the Great Race is if you haven't heard about it. Because I really haven't heard about it. Except where I live close to probably the biggest classic car museum in the Northeast. And the Great Race is stopping through. So I thought we'd go check it out. Take a video or so of some of the older cars. I believe they run from like 1930 on. It's one of the older cars. Runs from like Buffalo, New York to somewhere. I'll put it in the description. You guys can check it out. So I thought we'd go check that out. We're also this is why I'm not doing car stuff. That mess right there. Still doing house stuff. I gotta get it done. So we're taking a break from the car. Doing some house stuff. I don't want to bore you guys with that. Adulting's not all that fun. Car stuff's fun. We'll stick with the car stuff. So I thought we'd do that today. Put something out there for you guys to see. Maybe a couple of you enjoy it. I know I kind of like some of the older cars. I don't know a whole lot about them. I just like how they look, how they drive. They're kind of cool. I didn't want to bore you with all that house stuff. I don't have anything to install because all of this is getting in the way. But we'll go check that out. We'll cut back on Wednesday, do a little review of something that we put on the car. I do want to talk about something with you guys. Maybe something with that exhaust. I love how it sounds, but we need to talk about how it looks. But for right now, let's cut to some of them older cars.
We lost its engine. We put out the call. Oh, we don't like this Porsche. Hello. Team Cab Gator in a 1957 Porsche Speedster. This is their second year rally. They ran a Rolls Royce last year, and now they've switched over to the little Porsche. This is 1957 model. This is Carl Webster out of St. Charles, Missouri, and Mary Webster, also out of St. Charles, is the navigator. And only 4 fingers. They love the Disney story. So we asked for a Model A engine. Not to be confused with the very rare Ford. See you, boys. Nice rain jackets, boys. Well, they couldn't hear me. I just wondered if they could hear me. You'll see headsets on some of the open cars, the early cars, so they can communicate. Not stressful. So loud, talking, communicating their instructions back. The old-fashioned American staple duct tape is also good. Like that bound up. How much does this car weigh? That is a good question, Motor Mouths. Anybody know how much this car weighs dry? How about 5,200 pounds this car weighs? It's a 56 model Continental Mark II. Beautiful car. Hillary Wallace, Darrell Hill out of Topeka, Kansas, and Bill Wallace also out of
Costs more in our house.
Sportsman Division
like double.
Competitors in 56.
The Aston Martin DB
car through all these great cities. You just won't get better size. We have a wonderful opportunity to see folks just like yourself, collections just like this, beautiful cities and beautiful scenery.
Wow, that's nice.
About 10 years ago when we were talking about, I was just coming on board and they were talking about Great Race, and I was being a young bug that thought I knew everything. I said, well, why don't we go to a bigger city? Why don't we go to the biggest cities we can to get more of everything? Turns out the participation and the love and the interaction is. These guys showed up at the start of Great Race last year in another stall entry in a beautiful Packard.
The phone takes way better video.
Your phone is waterproof too?
Yeah.
And in the 32 Ford Cabriolet, this is best entry Jody Knowles of last year's winners. Beautiful little roadster, tons of race prominence. They are an excellent race team. They are very difficult to beat, these guys. Please wish them well as they resume rallying today.
We are talking to the mayor ourselves before this is
So we're back home. We got some cars. I believe it's about a 2-day event through our town. Kind of cool. I didn't get a whole lot because, as you can tell, that theory of every time I want to do car stuff it rains, we should put that to the test, because I'm pretty sure it's rained almost every time I've done car stuff. But it was kind of cool. We got to see some old cars. I wish we could have stayed longer, got some older cars, but the kids wanted to go, and it's pouring. So you want to look up some more stuff, obviously just YouTube it. I gave you a little bit of it. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of videos. They travel pretty much throughout the country. A lot of people come from overseas, come from Japan. They travel the country to do this little rally. They're a popular thing, man, so go check it out on YouTube. Just search it. I didn't give you a whole lot, but just enough to give you a taste of what it's like to live in a small town. Stay tuned on Wednesday. We're going to talk about that exhaust like I mentioned earlier. I got some things to talk about, but I'll see you guys in the next video.